Welcome back, teachers. Today we're diving back into the exciting world of prototyping with our students. Last lesson we did some generic prototyping and made different iterations of our designs. But today we're getting specific. You've got a great idea brewing, but how do you bring it to life quickly and effectively? Let's find out.
Prototyping might sound fancy, but it's all about bringing your ideas to life in a tangible way. Think of it as turning your imagination into reality.
Sketching, mind mapping, role-playing. There are endless ways to prototype. Let your creativity run wild because there are no limits here. Now, why bother with prototyping? Well, planning and discussing are great, but you won't know how your idea truly works until you test it out. Prototyping helps you iron out the kinks and see how others interact with your idea.
Let's put theory into practice with Prototyping Pictionary. Use all your insights and decisions to create a prototype that stands out like a purple cow. And remember to document your journey. Take photos, jot down ideas, and assess what works and what doesn't. This process of iteration is key to nailing your prototype. Get your students to hop on Canva and make a digital prototype. Here are some tips. If your product is digital, think about the features your app or website needs. Look at your favourite apps for inspiration. If your product is a service, what might your website look like? What buttons would it have and what capabilities? If your product is an invention, can you draw a blueprint or a diagram for it? Give your students some time to work on this alone and start bringing the first vision of their business to life in a prototype. Now, don't fear feedback. It's essential for improvement. Embrace it, iterate, and watch your idea evolve. Remember, setbacks are part of the journey. Just ask Thomas Edison. He said, "I have not failed 10,000 times. I have not failed once. I have succeeded in proving that those 10,000 ways will not work. When I have eliminated the ways that will not work, I will find the way that will work." So next, have your students present their prototypes to class and ask for feedback. Remind your students that feedback should be kind, specific, and helpful. Here are some tips for giving feedback. Tell what you liked. Ask. What thoughtful questions can you ask? Give some helpful suggestions for improvement.
And that's a wrap on Prototyping 101. You've learned how to turn your ideas into something real. Keep experimenting, keep iterating, and watch your dreams come to life. Until next time, happy teaching.
Remember to visit the Enterprising Girls website and grab the entire lesson plan for free. You'll find the link in the description below. We provide an online classroom where you can monitor your students' progress, access curriculum links, and streamline reporting. Explore it at enterprisinggirls.com.au by clicking on the online classroom in the Teacher Hub.